Celestial sphere is an imaginary sphere of infinite radius, with the Earth as its center. The axis of the Earth is inclined at about 23.5 degrees, but undergoing a continuous slight changes. The north end of its axis is called North Pole, and the south end is called South Pole. The great circle that divides the Earth into two equal hemispheres, and that is perpendicular to the poles, is called the equator. The poles are extended for an infinite distance into the celestial sphere, and the equator is projected to the celestial sphere, which is everywhere 90 degrees from the celestial poles, is called the celestial equator. The celestial poles namely, are North Celestial Pole, and the South Celestial Pole. Celestial Pole North is the point where the axis of the terrestrial North Pole is extended for an infinite distance into the celestial sphere. Celestial Pole South is the point where the axis of the terrestrial South Pole is extended for an infinite distance into the celestial sphere. Celestial Equator is a great circle, which is formed by projecting the plane of the Earth's equator to the celestial sphere, which is everywhere 90 degrees from the celestial poles. Equinoctial system. The north and south celestial poles are the two imaginary points in the sky, where the Earth's axis of rotation is infinitely extended. Celestial meridians is a great circle on the celestial sphere which is equivalent to the terrestrial meridian or longitude of a place, which actually represents the projection of such a meridian to the celestial sphere. In the equatorial coordinate system, they are called hour circles. Sidereal hour angle is the angle at the pole between the hour circle of Aries and the hour circle of the celestial body. Measured westward from the hour circle of Aries, from 0 degree to 360 degrees. Declination is the body's angular distance from the celestial equator and the celestial location of the body along its hour circle, and is measured north or south of the celestial equator in degrees from 0 to 90 degrees, similar to latitude on the Earth. Parallel of declination is a circle parallel to the celestial equator, since it connects all points of equal declination. It is similar to a parallel of latitude on the Earth. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.